This presentation is intended to help with sizing and uploading digital images for competitions at the Chester County Camera Club. The maximum file size is 1920 pixels for a landscape image and 1600 pixels for a portrait image. The maximum file size is 10 megabytes. If you try to upload a file larger than this, you'll get an error message. So for sizing and images for exporting images rather for Lightroom, you click File Export, and in the dialog that you're presented, you fill in the appropriate file location, image format, quality, size, resolution, and color space. You'll want a JPEG file. You'll want the image width to be 1920 and the height to be 1600 with the resolution of 72 pixels per inch. You don't need any resolution higher than that for using on projectors. Once you fill in these attributes, you can click the Add button and save settings as a preset, and then you can give it a name and use that name in the future. For example, on this screen, I'm choosing Export with Preset, and the preset I've chosen is 1920 by 1600 for Chester County Camera Club. I had previously saved this preset, and this is what I use for all the competitions for sizing my images. If you're using Photoshop, you'll want to choose Export, Save for Web. And on that dialog, you'll select JPEG, you'll tell it to convert to sRGB, and you'll specify the image size. If it's a landscape image, you'll specify the width, which is 1920. If it's a portrait image, you'll specify the height, which is 1600, and the others will be set automatically. Then you save that, and you'll get a dialog letting you choose where to save the file. Once you've exported all your images, now you're ready to submit them to a competition. And on the competitions menu on the website, you choose Submit Images to a Competition, as shown on this screen. You have to be logged in to be able to submit images. The next screen lets you select which competition you're uploading an image to, as shown on this slide. And then the following dialog, you click Upload Images into the competition. On this dialog, you choose Select, and you'll get a dialog on your computer that allows you to choose where the images are. And then you click the Select button, and you'll be directed to this screen where you want to be sure that the title is right. Now, for my images, I have a title in all my images, and it's automatically filled in, but that may not be true for you, so you want to make sure that the title's right. You can update that, and then click Save My Images and return to the original page. And at this point, you can upload additional images into that same competition, or you can click Return to the Competition list, which will take you back to the list, and you can choose another competition. Once you're through with all of your images, if you're in a print competition, you need to print labels for your print submissions. And on this screen, you choose 4x6 paper tags and click Generate Report, and it will generate a label for the image. And it's important that you print these out and take them. They need to be put on the back of your images for print competitions. If you want to upload images for a club shoot, you have to be logged in once again, and you choose My Account and My Galleries. And here you have some choices to make. You need to click the plus sign next to Club Outings and Events, and then you'll get a list of the club years. And in this case, you want to click the plus sign by 2016-2017 club year, and you'll be then allowed to choose one of the events from that club year. In this case, we've shown the Brandywine Polo Club. If you click Edit and Upload Images, then you'll be able to click Upload Images into the gallery. And at this point, the uploading is the same as uploading into a competition. And I believe that takes care of everything I wanted to cover, and I hope that this is helpful to you. Thanks.